Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4girlsjewelry. I inviting you to my messy studio. Want to share some of the ideas today. It's all based on my previous video because last Tuesday, remember, I shared these earrings, and we will work today with exactly the same frame. You can pick up your favorite frame, even elongated or circle or something. But thing is, when I made these, I was still playing with the same idea, and I discovered that jazzing them in this way, it's also very beautiful. So basically from the same shape, we can add beads different way and looks totally different project. So here we have a negative space and some gems. So I just want to quickly go over that. In these earrings, I started from this little loop and then go 1 2 3 4 5, so we have 5 inside, and I add 4 beads and then something in that space here. I really like it. I like that it looks a little different. So from that I was thinking, how about making pendant? And this pendant is same thing, started from here, from the middle, and I create, let's see, 1 2 3 4, also 5. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 loops. But then this was netted. I don't know if I ever did video about on the netting. It's one of my favorite techniques to set cabochon. So I like that. You can make any shape that you have. You can actually tailor to your stone and make it happen. Make them sit, make the sit cabochon how you want. And last night I was playing with sterling silver, so same idea. Started from here. I make less, I think 1 2 3 only, yes, only 3 loops. So there is also 3 beads here, a little labradorite hanging, and the same idea with capturing a little gem in the netted thing. You know, if you guys interested about the netting, I can also create video, because it's basically any gem you can net it, and it looks so pretty and vintagey too. So working right now on this little guy. So that will be earrings. Is different project that I just left it here. So I want to make a little bit smaller this time. I made 1 2 3 4, make the frame how I want it. Also use my rubber mallet, hammer it. And now I will just quickly show how I set my my little pearls. So I will go inside in one of the loops here. I leave a little tail about that much, and I will make probably 1 2, sometimes I do 2 or 3 wraps around. So let's do 2, and then after 2, just make sure that they don't overlap, because these earrings are small, more delicate, so they might. Make sure that it doesn't really happen. I don't like it's happened with me though. Okay, so now we can add one little pearl here. And what I do is, because I wanted to, from this loop, I want to go right away in the second one. So go here, make sure it sits nice how you want, and you make again 2 wraps. 1 2, if it's too, I think it's enough. Just make sure they don't overlap with each other. And you keep going to fill that space. So let's see this one. Go the next. So we have from here to here. I like how it sits. One, two. Sometimes I want to use my strength to tie it perfectly. I like when it's tied. So this project is actually same almost like the other, but when you make a lot of rings like that, you can actually create a little bit variety of the jewelry. So we have 3. So I have 1, 2, and I like to use one more bead here. So I will use one more bead. And now, so we have it a little space here between my last loop and this one, and I will go inside in this and make wrap to secure. Then we can go back to inside in the frame, back in the loop. And now I will make 2 wraps. 1, 2, and I will use my pearl and go opposite direction. So that's very easy way to just change your visual. It looks like it's different design, but it's totally not. It's the same. So again, we do 2 wraps. Make sure they don't overlap with each other, so aesthetically it looks good. And yeah, and you keep going. So that's the project for today. I thought it will be so cool to share with you guys what I'm making next. And here we still have a loop, so I thought I will use not that large, but the large also could work, you know, something beautiful for these earrings. Maybe, you know, I like labradorite the most, so I thought, you know, something it can match my necklace will be something. Or even if you like to add, this could be also nice just as a little stick with one side little empty circles and the other side with your pearls or any other gemstones you're using in your work. Guys, I hope you like it. I hope you will be inspired to create something from the previous frames that we have, because it's easy. You already know how to do it. You just can play with tons of your different gems. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. And for those who live in Illinois and close to North Shore, I will have my next show in Lincolnshire this weekend. So if you guys want to come and see what I created, you are very, very welcome. And yes, so see you either on the weekend or next week Tuesday again. We have a date. Thank you guys. Please share my video, subscribe, because you know, statistic, last night I just saw a crazy statistic that it's only 52% of people who watch me actually subscribe to my channel, and I was so shocked. only 52%. So a lot of people watching, but they don't sign up for some reason. And to promote myself in YouTube like that. So please press this subscribe button, make me happy, and I will see you next Tuesday again. Thanks guys, bye.